A nice way of making your Mac feel more personalised is to have a desktop picture that means something to you. Here are a couple of ways that you can go about that. So first, System Preferences, you can go to Desktop and Screensaver, and under the desktop pictures, Apple have chosen a number of really beautiful examples. I'm just going to grab one to show you here. So that's one option. Another option is to go to a web search. I just searched for web wallpapers for MacBook Pro, so I know that the resolution is nice and large and it's going to look effective. And in this particular one, if I search for Switzerland, let me spell it correctly. This one looks pretty good. If you do a secondary click or right click, you can say use image as desktop picture. So if I select that, my desktop picture will have changed in the background. Beautiful Switzerland. Another option is to find an image that you have. So for example, if I go into my files, here's an image I have. A two-finger click or a bottom right of your trackpad click, and you can choose Set Desktop Picture there. 3 ways to change your desktop background.